Hey guys, what's going on? Yeah, we having lunch today again. Guys, you know what to do. Make sure you thumbs up this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and share, guys. What should my goal share be? Our goal share should be 100 shares. So we're looking for 100 shares, guys. Make sure you share this video. All right, so we have cucumbers, chicken, homemade curry chicken, broccoli, and rice. Check this out. This meal was very easy to make. It took about 15-20 minutes. You know, just fry up some curry chicken, and fry up some curry chicken, put some broccoli in it, and cook some rice. And it's not hard, guys. So if you want to have a nice meal really fast, you can definitely do this. This meal right here has broccoli, which is packed with vitamins, rice, you got some magnesium in it, and the chicken for the protein and some other minerals, and the cucumbers, I forgot about those. Those things are awesome also. All right, so let's get started. Check out this chicken. Oh, I gotta do something about my lighting. Hold on, guys. Can you guys see this? There we go. Check out this chicken. Guys, say what's up to me so I can get to know you. Thank you guys for sharing. I see the shares coming through. So guys, shout out where you're located. I want to know where you guys are from. Nice big juicy onion. And what are you guys having for lunch, breakfast, dinner? What are you guys eating? It's awesome. Okay, so this is curry chicken, guys. And it's got a nice spice to it. I love curry chicken. And curry chicken and rice. A lot of people think curry chicken and rice is difficult to make. Look how hot that is, guys. Hey, Miss Catherine. What's going on? Shout out to Chicago. A lot of people think curry chicken is difficult to make, but it's not. All you gotta do is get you some curry chicken seasoning and be heavy on the seasoning so you can get this nice golden color. Add a few spices to it if you want it to be hot. It really depends on the kind of curry chicken seasoning that you get. Sam's Club has a good curry chicken seasoning. Okay, so you're gonna make, Miss Catherine said, I'm gonna make liver, gravies, mashed potatoes, sweet peas. Haven't had liver in 2 years. Awesome. Now that sounds good. That sounds good. Liver is full of iron. I haven't had liver in a long time either. But the last time I remember it, it was really good. Hey, Miss Kimberly, what's going on? Welcome. Where you guys from? Guys, make sure you share this video out. It's a nice big juicy cucumber for you guys. Oh, I don't know if you guys know this, but you can become a supporter of the page. And so I shout out the supporters on here. Some rice, guys. You get quite a bit of perks. You get more recipes, videos, and things. once you become a supporter. Thank you. Let me try some of this broccoli over here. Now the broccoli, I steamed it real nice. I like my broccoli crunchy. Not okay. My wife steamed it. We like it crunchy, not soggy. No, I did not cook this meal. I'm sorry, guys. I have to tell you, I did not cook this meal. My wife, who's sitting over there, actually made this meal. Shout out to all the wives that make awesome meals for your husbands, and all the ladies who makes awesome meals for your boyfriends. Check this out. You gotta give it up to them. That big onion. Did I say be liberal with the curry? One of the worst mistakes you can make with curry chicken is to be easy on the seasoning. Exactly. Shout out to wifey. She is so awesome. And she made sure that she put nice juicy cucumbers in here also for extra health. She also made sure she put broccoli in here so this meal can be nice and well-rounded. Check out how big this broccoli is, guys. So it sounds like you guys are having some awesome meals out there. I haven't had curry chicken in a while, so this is a nice surprise. Curry chicken and rice. Now, you can get curry that's mild, hot, mild, and spicy. I don't know if there's in between. It's mild and spicy. Yeah. It's not mild, medium, and spicy. Not that I know of. Now, jerk seasoning, you can get it mild, medium, and spicy. Look how yellow the rice is. Now, the yellow comes from the curry is a blend of different seasonings, right? So you could actually make curry yourself, but why do that when you can buy the seasonings yourself? Buy the curry blend. But curry, just like jerk seasoning, is a blend of different seasonings. And what gives curry this nice yellow color is turmeric. Alright, let me have some more of this broccoli. I'm not trying to save it for last. Thank you guys for the shares. I see the shares coming through. Guys, make sure you thumbs up this video. Someone said they're actually going to have liver. Like, if you like for us to talk about or show a recipe for that, we can do that. Some liver, onions, and rice. Yeah. What other meals are you guys having today? Shout them out. What meals are you guys eating right now? Spicy. I love spicy food. I don't know why, but I just do. This bowl is filled all the way up to the top. Now, this is actually white rice, but I've tried it with brown rice, and it's pretty good if you want a lower carb option. But white rice is the best for it. If you want your rice, your brown rice to be nice and tender, as Mary said, yummy. Hey, Miss Mary, what's going on? If you want your brown rice to be nice and tender, you have to cook it longer. First, you have to soak it for like 20 minutes. And then cook it. And it'll be nice and tender. A lot of people have a problem with brown rice, with cooking it. But it's not difficult. Shout out to Miss Murray from New York. She said, I love white rice. I do too. It's the best. Guys, make sure you tap the video so you can get all of the notifications when we go live. Last bite. And this is rice, so it's kind of difficult to show the seasonings in the camera, but I'm gonna see what I can do. Can you guys see the nice yellow tint on this? And if you can see the peppers and everything on it. I'm trying. Believe me, guys, it's good now. Last bite. And if you guys were in the beginning of the video, this bowl was full. So you know it was good because I smashed it in how many minutes? How many minutes is this video so far? In 14 minutes. I had this whole meal, guys, in 14 minutes, guys. Awesome. You guys talked about some good foods. It looks like that you're having for lunch. Next time you see my video, be very interactive and let me know where you guys are from. Let me know what videos you're having. And if you'd like to be, let me know what meals you're having. And if you'd like to be a supporter of the channel, tap the supporter button. It's right next to the thumbs up. I've had fun, guys. Did you have fun? Did you guys have fun? Did you learn something? All right, well, my name is Andrew, and I'll see you guys next time.